It's really hard to drive. And all you can think about is how much you need to sneeze. I don't know what's going on. Usually I don't get anything like hay fever, but oh my god, it's so hot and I can't. All I can think about right now is how much I need to sneeze. Oh, I can feel it. It's right here. I don't know what's going on. I don't know why. The weather's not even like this in Ireland, but I can't think of anything else. I'm not sick or anything, but I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what I can do to stop, because I have to pay attention when I'm driving, and it's just, oh god. But I need to sneeze so badly. I just can't. It's right there, and I'm trying to stop it. I am, because I shouldn't. Oh god. It's really hard to try and focus, but to try and not do it when every part of me just needs to sneeze. But I have to focus on what I'm doing. I really can't get distracted because I have to drive. Maybe I could pull over. Yeah, maybe if it doesn't get better, that's what I'll do. Maybe I'll pull over. Oh my god, I can feel that my nose is so itchy and my eyes are watering because of how much I need to sneeze right now, but I really don't want to. I wish I could stop it, because it's right here and it's so annoying, and I'm trying really hard to stop sneezing, but it's, oh god, I think I'm gonna have to pull over because, oh god, oh, I can feel it. It hasn't gone away. It's still right there. Oh. Oh god. Oh, it's starting to hurt a bit. I think it's, I don't know, maybe I'm getting sick. I don't know. It is hot. Maybe if I put the window down a little bit, it might help because I get some air, but right now I don't think so. I don't think there's anything that can make this stop. It's so bad. I don't. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, I'm trying to focus. I'm trying to pay attention because I'm driving. I should probably pull over. This can't be good. It's not. But oh, my eyes are watering. My nose is so itchy, and it's just right there. No matter how many times I sneeze, I can still feel it. It's all I want to do. And I think it's gonna make it better. That it's gonna stop and it'll go away and I won't need to anymore, but it hasn't. It's still right there. I can still feel how itchy it is and how much it's burning. Every time I breathe in, that's all I can feel. It's just how much I need to sneeze, and I just can't. I need to just stop for a little while. Just, I could just have a break. That'd be so good. Because every time I breathe, it's right there. I'm sneezing all over myself when I'm driving, and I can't see properly. It's not good. God. My eyes are watering so much. I wish I could stop this, I really do, but I don't know how I can. It's just, I think the more I do it, I could get away from it, but it's not that easy. It's like every time I sneeze, I just need to sneeze more, because I don't know why. God, I should be able to control this. It's my body. Why can't I stop it? If I don't want to do it, why can't I stop it? Oh God. Oh, it's so much. It's starting to hurt a bit. Why did I have to go and drive today? Maybe I'm getting sick. Maybe I should have just stayed at home, or I could stay in bed, and if I sneezed it wouldn't matter. But I'm running late. I can't really stop. I can't really pull over. Oh God. Oh, I'm gonna be so late if I don't get there. See if this doesn't stop. But I can't. Why can't I stop sneezing? Why can't I make myself stop? Oh God, it burns so much. It's right there. Oh God, I can feel it. Oh God, it's so hot. Oh my God, why can't I make it stop? My eyes are watering so much too. I can't really see what I'm doing. I'm gonna have to pull over because of how bad this is. Oh, who could do this all the time? Maybe I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna make it stop. I just need it to stop just for a little while. I'm almost there. If I could just get it to stop for a bit, I could. Oh God, this is so hard to not do. Oh my God, that's all I want. I feel like I could do it and it'll just stop, but it's just not gonna go away. The more I try to make it stop, the more I have to do it, and it burns so much. It won't go away. Oh my God, I can't. It's starting. Maybe that's it. Maybe it's over. Maybe I could. Oh God, it's not stopping. I keep thinking it's gonna be over, and it's gonna stop, and I'll feel better. But it doesn't. It doesn't stop. I don't know how. I feel so bad right now. I must be getting. I must be getting sick. I can't stop it. My eyes are watering. I've no control. There's so many other things I could try. I've tried holding my nose. I tried. Oh my god, it's so, why does nothing work? I should be able to control what I do, but I can't. Oh god, it's right. It's not ever gonna stop. No matter how hard I try, it's still right there. I can still feel it all the time. How badly I need to. But it keeps coming, and I think I need to sneeze, and then I just I can't. I wish I could stop this. I really don't want to do this, especially I'm driving. It's not good. But I can't help it. I would if I could. It'd be so much easier to concentrate. I don't know what to do, because I need to. I just sneeze so badly. I just can't control it. But I'm really trying. I really am. So I wish I wasn't sneezing all the time. But it's really hard. It's on my body. Oops.